Lakini kuna wakili Mukaria Muriungi na ugete ula wari ngavana wa Meru Khaira Mwangaza na ula wari munini wa rais Ndeguruni ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua abakwairia Akenya tibaketha baine bene indege sheria batitikirwa. Wakili Mukaria ugete ninga koti ya gucokia magambari kuyomba kubonokia kenda bakinyande bene nonto watho burio.
Rigathi Gachagua wa RDP na Kawira Mwangaza wa ngavana wa Meru Bobaire beberu obisine mbunge na ndibo mwankira thaiji bari na witikio na bethagira bakiathingati bawirigiro ati bakethira bari ndebene siasene cha mwaka jwa ngiri mirongo iri na mugwanja.
As long as you have not exhausted the mechanisms, the remedies available in law, you cannot be stopped from holding public office. So mimi nitakuwa kwa debe. Na nimwambia hata mama Kawira asijali, atakuwa kwa debe. It's no problem. She should not worry.
Lakini ndienda kubalika ni onto bumwe. 2027. Pwete kana bwename. Tuachema ni andewele.
Uni Gachagua na Kawira kuga na we wakili Mukaria Muriungi ariuga watho borugo keja kwebiro obisine ne mbunge utiumba kurunga magite kairika na kinya gutongeria obisi ya mwingi akiuga Bobaire baunoka bakwa area mwingi bakethira barinde beno ntubure akuga butiumbikana
no jola ukarika gwatuika ugwe riro thitangwa na criminal offense ukuthekwa riro thekirwe wafandwa we guilty gikisira othekwa witanjera kinyoketha wapirite kisira ugamba winchera kire apirire othithiti. So as we speak right now, Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Gachagua na Mheshimiwa Khaira Mwangaza inchera bali kaba kugamba benchera ndene already they have been found guilty and are impeached. So they cannot own any public office. What office bomba owned in a public?
Wakili Muriungi aruga Kawira Mwangaza na Rigathi Gachagua bomba akikwithira barinde bene na njira ijiri na yambere tiga koti ya biru igatejanĩrio gambibwa koti ya iguru.
No tupena appeal ilaba thithitie ke the court of appeal. Court of appeal ka change that decision ile thithirwo ni high court. Ilo bomba gucoka watuika that decision kwa reversed. But as we speak now, na decision ya court of appeal kethe thithitwe, then utigete bomba kulunga.
Njira ingi wakili Muriungi ariuga tiga baringi thro bari na watho bwa kurungika kwebro obisine watho bubu ejanini koti ya piru na akiuga mwankira thaiji gute bubu ethirite bukinenkanirwa.
Right of appeal bathithitie nyethantu ba confuse muno mantu jo bakiuga angalira wina appeal yenderete utiumba no urungame umba kurungama akigwa tuika kethera court of appeal ne yajanete stay kugatia ne rungikira mantu jara ya kuje impeachment now it stay agent. So as we speak when they are impeached now we impeach tiga decision we ka change the court of appeal.
Ke report randi to shawero reakwari etwa ne mutuge kare